Hello students, this is Dr. S.O. Kumar, Assistant Professor of English, SRR Government Arts and Science College, Karimnagar, your college. Students, almost after a long spell of staying at home, the teaching faculty were asked to attend colleges with effect from 27th August 2020 in order to take up academic work in the colleges as per the instructions of the beloved Commissioner of Collegiate Education, Government of Telangana. As per the instructions, all the teaching faculty members are attending colleges to prepare e-content or engage classes online or to look into such kind of academic works, related academic works like those online admission process or preparation of action plans for the academic year 2020-2021 in the backdrop of COVID-19, that is corona pandemic disease. All the teaching faculty members as well as non-teaching faculty members have been attending colleges promptly and systematically with effect from 27th August as per the instructions. It means the government is attaching utmost importance for the academics of the students studying in the government degree colleges. As such, all the teaching faculty members have chalked out plans and action plans for teaching the given syllabi in the subjects. Regarding English, third semester, that is second year, we have 3 units and grammar and compositional exercises. These 3 units and grammar and compositional exercises are very interesting, simple and causing motivation. There is no doubt that these topics are modern, suitable, relevant for developing communication skills in English. You are all aware, in the earlier class also I used to tell you again and again that developing good communication skills in English language is very necessary and very important these days. We are living in a totally changed circumstances, conditions. Of course, corona pandemic may vanish after some time. It may take another 4 or 6 months as vaccine or other such relevant medicines are expected. So till such time, we are supposed to take all precautionary measures. Now you see how I am using the face mask. Using face mask, sitting in the college, I am speaking to you through this video. Similarly, you are all also supposed to take up or follow all precautionary measures regarding this COVID-19 pandemic disease. Still, that means besides taking all these precautionary measures, we need to look after our routine work, that is academic work. In your case, listening to lessons, reading given our textbooks or given notes, or searching in the Google for study materials, or going through video lessons or other such materials prepared by lecturers, professors, which are placed in YouTube channel or in other such appropriate means. So, in this introductory class for the academic year 2020-21, I am happy to share some of these ideas with you. Dear students, you have now entered third semester, that is second year, in English language, that is in English subject. As you had in first and second semesters, you have units and grammar and compositional topics in third and fourth semester also. These are all very simple, interesting and motivational. Therefore, I draw your attention to these topics and other prescribed topics. Things have changed, platforms have changed, means of reaching out have changed. 5.5 months ago, we were all very happy meeting in the classroom, discussing concepts, topics, syllabus and all, facing each other, learning so many things. The only thing is now interactive mode has changed. Earlier we were facing each other in the classroom, but now it is in the online mode. No problem. Things always change. When things change, we should not get disturbed or perturbed or should not get troubled. Man should be courageous. Man should be always ready to face any kind of challenges. This is a new challenge for entire mankind. That is corona problem. In spite of the problem, we need to go ahead in our works, in our academic works. So that's why teaching in the online mode or preparing video lessons, etc., will be done by lecturers, and they will be placed for your convenience hereafterwards. Therefore, you go through them, prepare the materials, develop knowledge, the subjects, and improve your knowledge, skills and personality. No need to get deterred or perturbed or challenged by any such disease. This disease definitely is going to disappear after 4 or 5 months. Till such time, taking all the care, go ahead with your academic learning. All the best.